Welcome back to another tech tip from Appliance video. Today we will look at how long can vegetables be stored in the refrigerator or freezer without spoiling.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Vegetables never seem to last as long as you intended. More often than not, by the time you are ready to use them, they are out on their last leg of life, or ready to toss out. Let's go over the storage time for some of the most common vegetables so that you'll be better prepared in the future. It is important to note that you will want to ensure your refrigerator is properly cooling, which should be between 37 degrees to 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. Asparagus will last 1 to 2 days on average. Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower, green peas, lima beans, green beans, onions and peppers will all last 3 to 5 days. Cabbage and celery can last quite a bit longer at 1 to 2 weeks. Carrots, beets and turnips will still be good 6 to 9 days later. Avocados, while technically a fruit, will last 3 to 4 days. Be sure to squeeze some lemon juice on top to prevent it from turning brown. Tomatoes, another fruit that snuck onto this list, will last about 5 to 7 days in the fridge. And lettuce will last 7 to 10 days when properly packaged, though it never seems to be that long. To ensure your vegetables stay fresh in your refrigerator, be sure to utilise your crisper drawer. This drawer keeps the temperature and humidity at the best levels to ensure quality produce. Okay, so let's see how these products do in the freezer section. First, you will want to ensure your freezer is hitting temperatures of -5 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Also check out our video, Why Ice Crystals, Frost or Moisture Form on Food in Your Freezer, for tips on how to hit proper freezer temperatures. Asparagus will last 8 to 10 months in the freezer. Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower, green peas, lima beans, green onions and peppers will all last 7 to 9 months. Cabbage, celery will be good for up to 11 to 12 months. Carrots, parsnips, beets and turnips can freeze for 10 to 11 months. And lettuce and avocados are not recommended to be frozen. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.